Hi guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. And as our good buddy Kim with Kim's Custom Garage in Denmark would say, and thanks for stopping by. Well, as you can see, I'm in the Christmas spirit. Kim had mentioned that his favorite season of the year was Christmas, and Amanda went to Dollar Tree, and as you can see, decorated the workbench for a couple of bucks. Isn't that kind of cool? A sparkly tree. And now I'm inspired. I did not jump in on Kim's Christmas build at first because I just had too many projects, too many irons in the fire, too many other group builds and things going on, and some of those I didn't get finished yet anyway. But I decided I wanted to do a curbside, something to jump in on this Christmas theme build. So let's get busy. So I'm going through the stash room just trying to figure out, okay, what do I want to do for this Christmas build? And I ran across this, the 63 Chevy 2 station wagon. Now this thing I originally bought not because I wanted a station wagon, but for all the parts. This thing's great. You got an old school U-Haul type trailer, you've got the parachute, the old school metal gas cans, racing helmet, 5 different engines. It's got all kinds of cool accessories, old school accessories. You got the stock wheels, you got some custom stuff, racing stuff. I mean, it's got a lot of stuff in it. So I had to have it, and then I saw that station wagon, and I started thinking back to the 60s when I was growing up. My brothers and I and my family, we had a blue Mercury station wagon, and we would come back home, of course, with a Christmas tree tied to the roof, and the back would be full of either groceries or Christmas stuff that was concealed. I mean, it was great stuff. And I thought, you know what, this station wagon would be perfect. I think I'm going to even paint it in the old colors of our station wagon and deck it out in a Christmas type thing. Just something to bring back memories, and it'll be something that we can stick on the mantle every Christmas with our Batson tree farm, Christmas tree farm truck. So I thought this would be kind of cool. So let's get started on this. I've already taken it out of the box. Now here's something that's going to be very difficult for me, and I pretty much committed in my mind and in my heart, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this, and that is I'm going to do it as a curbside. Probably not even going to put an engine in it. And as some of you are going, Mark Batson not going to put an engine in? Hey, we're not there yet. I got to admit, that's going to be tough because with that 6-cylinder engine, oh man, I thought, oh, that would look so good. I'm going to do my best to try to keep this as bare bones as possible, but still make it look good. Basic interior, just good station wagon interior. I just dropped the steering wheel in there, just get a look. And we'll be doing this almost body color, just a contrasting, probably blue. And we're going to, like I said, decorate it up, and I want the final to be a surprise. And as you can see, I've already taken on the body and marked off in the black Sharpie what's going to be removed. These scripts where it said Chevrolet here and on the back, as well as the Nova 2 script and the 6-cylinder script here, those are also on the decal sheet. So I'm going to be replacing these with decals, and we're just going to do this stock, which is again a challenge for me because I'm a race car guy or a custom guy lately, but I really think this is going to be fun, and it's going to remind me of my childhood and those station wagons growing up. And then the chassis, I think we're just going to do in a semi-gloss or a flat black, just something basic, because you're not going to see under it anyway. So, oh, by the way, there's our wheel backs, and I went ahead and just used the stock hubcaps, and I hope you can see that, but, well, let me get the camera down here a little closer where the light's better. I went ahead and did a wash, well, if it will focus, went ahead and did a little bit of a wash over these, and I think those just look great compared to just the screaming at you chrome. Well, it's kind of hard to tell. Now, there you go. There you go. You can see a good bit of difference there. But I think that looks really good. Just good old bone stock stuff. and great memories. So let's get sanding, and we'll get some primer on it, and we'll keep going. We have our scripts removed and everything smoothed back out, and I think those decals are going to look really good on here. Did the same with the hood, of course. We got the script off there. All of this is going to be primed, and we're going to use Tamiya's Fine Surface Primer. Get it in the dehydrator, probably about an hour. For the chassis, I'm going to use something I rarely use on models, but I have. And that is some Rust-Oleum I have sitting around that's the semi-gloss black. So we're going to do the wheel backs. We've got them prepped and ready to go, and the chassis itself. And of course we have our steering wheel here and the interior parts. The interior is going to be painted, and this is some MCW medium blue metallic interior, this is a semi-gloss. And it's kind of hard to see in this light, but it's actually lighter than it looks right now. This looks pretty dark on camera. And for the body, the top portion we're going to do in Tamiya TS26 Pure White. And then the rest of the body we're going to do in TS58 Pearl Light Blue. So it's got, I don't know if you can see the metallic that's in it, but we'll be doing the body in that. So let's get to it. Okay, we've got our primer on the body and the interior, the chassis, and we've gone ahead and shot our color on the chassis, so she is ready. Finished up all of the wheels as far as the wash down in those. Oh, and we went ahead and got the backs mounted on those too. We did those in the semi-gloss, remember? And I went ahead and did the grill. And I did the wash down in the grill, as well as using the Tamiya X24 clear yellow. Did the turn signals. And the headlights, the Mod Podge, gloss Mod Podge behind the headlight lenses has not fully cured yet. If you use Mod Podge, you know this stuff dries crystal clear. And that's not been in there very long, so it's not dry yet, but still looks pretty decent. But ready to start getting some color on this. I may go ahead on the body and just hit it with one light sand with, say, 2000, and then get the white on the top, or mask it, shoot the white, then we'll mask it and get the blue on the body too. And we'll go ahead and do this. But I don't want this video to get too long, but I am going to do a mock-up real quick. We'll do a test fit on some things, so we'll get a look at it, including the stance. So let's do that real quick. Okay guys, I think everything is looking really pretty good. I'm still having a struggle with there not being an engine in this thing. I know I said I'm going to make it a curbside and I'm going to stick to it, but this is tough. I think overall though, it's looking really nice. It looks like that family sedan you'd go pick up or a wagon you'd go pick up the Christmas tree in. I like the wash and the grill. I think that's looking pretty good. And how I'm going to decorate that is Amanda was gracious enough to pick up at Hobby Lobby some of these little peel and stick wreaths, and I'm thinking I'm going to have one on the grill up front, and well, kind of a glare there. Have it one on the grill. May put one on the tailgate. Oop, there went the bumper. May put one on the rear tailgate. Don't know about that yet, but she also picked me up a Christmas tree. It's a little out of scale, so I'm going to be cutting that down and redoing it. But as you can see, this thing would be like a 15-footer in the house, I think. So this is going to have to be cut down a little over halfway, and we'll do that. We'll take something from there, but also She had these from Dollar Tree that I think there was 3 each of these things, and I think those will look good piled up in the back area of the station wagon there. So that's kind of the plan right now. I'm going to go ahead and get some color. We're going to wrap up the video right now, and I'll go ahead and get some color in the morning on this, and I'll show you a little of the progress, but I think we'll wait till the first when it's due to go ahead and put the final up. But you know, for a real quick build, this has turned out to be a lot of fun. But I might end up putting that motor in there, I know. But anyway, and when I tie the tree to the roof, I'm probably, if you have this kit, I happen to notice on the windows, the driver and passenger side windows are open, and the windows run from here all the way around. So I'm probably going to cut down some of that where this is partially down, and that way I can get my twine through there to hold the Christmas tree on. And you know what? I may just wrap it around, run it down to the door handle like you would tie it around the door handle. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I think it's looking pretty family go to the lot and get a Christmas tree look. Okay, guys, that's it. Head over to HobbyNut Models. I got a kit in the mail yesterday that I've got to share with you. I'll be doing that in just a quick bench update video, and you're really going to like this one. But go over, check out Mark's inventory at HobbyNut Models. Pick up your paint, supplies, just all kinds of great goodies over there. Guys, God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for sticking around.